I'm Rosemary and welcome to my channel. So for this recipe, I am making mango and avocado smoothie, and also I'll be using half cup of powdered milk that I've diluted in a cup of water. Now this is my avocado flesh and this is my mango. I just scraped the flesh out of the mango seeds, and this is the mango. So next I'll take it to my food processor. You can use a blender for this. For me, I'm just taking to my food processor to blend. After the mango is blended, I'll go on to use my hand blender to process this until smooth. Now this is my jug for my blending. I just add in my avocado, go on with my mango, my pureed mango, and then my milk. Then I'll go on to blend with my hand blender. You can also use your normal blender for this if that's what you have, and you can also use the hand blender as well. Just add in more milk and mango puree until you've gotten your desired texture. Now blend until smooth and save to enjoy. All my ingredients for this were kept in the freezer so they will be cold before I blended. But you can also place it in the fridge for like 30 minutes before you enjoy this. Thank you so much for watching. For all of my whole subscribers, I want to say thank you for always being there. And for those who are coming for the first time, I also appreciate you. I hope you click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. Please share my video, subscribe to my channel, comment, and like my videos. Thank you so much for watching.